Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we're going to put some parts on this thing. Got a few little aftermarket parts to help with my traction control problem from my drag racing. I had some traction issues, so we're gonna fix that today, or some of it today. Anyway, got her pulled in and she's looking good. Alright guys, so this is what we got to do. Replace those ugly looking things. So downfall, so we got the brake line that goes right in the middle of them. That bolt, I don't know if you can see that very well. That bolt, and then the relocation brackets. And then if we go up here, that's the upper control arm. And if you can see that bushing right there, you can see how cracked out that is. And the polyurethane new one should be a night and day difference. So same thing over here. Oh, by the way guys, I got me a set of Bilstings I threw on the other night, and I love them. They're awesome. Complete difference on the car. But anyway, we got the relocation brackets we got to get thrown on there. And again, that bolt, brake lines. So anyway, let's get going. So we took a quick break from the Mustang. As you can tell, it's getting a little dark. Anyway, remember my last video? Jenna said she had a Subaru Forester. Well, this is it. She had an AC problem. So in the middle of doing the control arm, we stopped and threw a new AC compressor on this. And that's Dave. Say hi, Dave.
Hey, how's it going?
Dave brought it over. We swapped out the AC compressor, and now we're just going to take it for a burn, see if we got some cold air. And then Dave's going to, I think, help me finish that. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Heck yeah.
It feels cooler.
We got a little bit better air for Jenna. Now she won't freaking fry. It's been like 100 degrees for like the last 3 weeks straight here in Utah.
We say touche. She drives your car, you drive hers?
Yeah, I'd rather drive mine though.
This one's kind of gutless compared to your GT.
Yeah, no kidding. And I know it's blowing cold. It's doing a lot better than it was before. Man, it only has 87,000 miles on it. We're doing good. All right, Dave. Is this your first?
Right, I got the jack.
First time working on the Mustang, or a Mustang?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, we got the other control arm to do. Said that bolt. This one's hard because it has a panhand bar bracket right in the way. But basically, shouldn't be too bad. What I'll do, I'll work on the caliper.
So get this guy loose right here, right?
Yep. So the control arm. Anyway, we got Jenna's car done. It is blowing cold, so we're good. Hey Jenna, if you're watching, you're welcome.
all kinds of chili.
Yeah. Oh,
We had to get up in coats in there.
had a big giant fingerprint on the screen, so I wiped it off. Sorry, guys. So there's that. And then, guys, remember the Focus ST? There it is. She's running. She's good to go. Bad motor right there. Big old hole in it. Quick update. She looks good. Bumper covers all on. Headlights. She runs. Looking good. Good job, Cars, my bro. Shout out to him. Anyway, last time you'll see the Forester, that up close. And then David. Time lapse time. Come down quite a bit.
Yeah, grab this thing.
I got it.
No, I mean hold it. It's like hot. It's
Yeah.
like, what's going on with that thing?
It says, how is it gonna get? Alright, we're all the way down there. Okay, how do we get to this one? What size is that? Big?
Probably the same size, 21. Oh, wait. Got my own light.
Yeah, you came prepared.
Oh, is it the same size?
I don't know, looks bigger. Looks big. And here's as you guys can tell, we are struggling immensely. We will commence when we get this bolt off.